How to fix cannot update TikTok reason. If you cannot update your TikTok reason, then here is the best working method to change your TikTok country/region. First of all, simply tap on the App Store on your mobile device. Now, inside the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the VPN. All you have to do is download a best VPN such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or ProtonVPN and connect to a server in the desired country and restart TikTok and check if the region has changed or not. This method does not always work as TikTok also tracks SIM card and device location, but in some method it does work. So simply download the best VPN and try using it. Now once done, simply go back to the home screen and tap on the TikTok. Now once inside the TikTok, simply try using the new account. Change your account's registered country for new accounts. Simply log out of this account and now sign in using a different phone number from the targeted country. TikTok will assign your region based on your registered phone number. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.